So I wanted to install a 4-channel, 4-screen combiner using a Vevor box. I'll show you how to do that here today. You can see here's the final product. It's working great. It's about 1,000 watts of panels that go through there, and then it goes into this conduit. Technically that needs to be a liquid tight conduit, but I'm using just a flex conduit for now. Later I'll upgrade it. Once the moment it's inside the house, then it's okay to have this metal flex conduit, but I'm having this metal flex conduit here anyway for now. And I still have space for one more string there. So I used to use these plastic echo-worthy PV combiner boxes, and I still have one here. But I really want to have a much better one that's a metal box. So I'm going to upgrade my echo-worthy PV combiner box into a Vevor PV combiner box. They're both 4-channel, but the Vevor is a much better build quality. And this is plastic, and that's metal. It's probably much safer. So, first step was to disable my solar in the garage, and then I disconnected my cables up here, and then I went down and began installing the Vevor box. I'll show you all the steps to do that in this video. Okay, here's that Frankenbox time. I'm going to try to put this Vevor box up. Can I do it? I need this to be held here. It's Franken screws. Let's see if I can mount it to this part of the pergola. Again, pergolas are not part of the house. And not only that, there is no code for them. I can't get permits for them. Okay, first part of the Frankenbox is up. Okay, we got this box emplaced with 2 screws. I'll cut these and install them here, and I'll wire up the circuitry and attach MC connectors. I'll then have to seal those holes in the back too. Perhaps I will just use those for some sort of, I'll open those up and have these MC connectors go through there and come out. That's one of these two, and this one is these. Finishing the ground lines, this ground bus. Okay, here goes the last section here. This is the Vevor box. So I'm very impressed by its build quality. I think this might make a good mix. It's very easy to install. Pre-crimped terminals. Lightning arrestor, circuit breaker, and these two are just the right size for conduit. You're going to see me hack it later. For now I'm using it the way it's intended to be used mostly. I'm going to hack these and that hole in the back. I'm going to bring in another channel. This is now right here. At least it's energizable. It's just missing this going here. Okay, now we've got this kind of decayed conduit. Been abused. Used outside its environmental characteristics specs. Nevertheless, it works. It works. Only barely so, but it works. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this inside. I can rotate it. I'm going to rotate it in place. Temporarily making sure I've got connection. Okay, now if you go to 0, this should now have powered on. Let's see if it turns on. It might take a while. Okay, it's starting to turn on. It took quite a while to turn on and start trusting it. Let's see how high of a current you can go to. It's still early in the morning, so that massive array is only producing a little power. Okay, and the Quattro, let's see what its panels are doing. Similar power, low power still.